If someone sent you this video, then listen up carefully. This is one of those things that no one's really talking about, but everyone is definitely experiencing. It's when you're scrolling through Instagram and then all of a sudden you're hit by 3 posts from the same person, posted at the same time about the same thing. You know, you don't really care that much. You know, it's just Instagram. Let's keep things casual. But at the same time, it's like, who do they think they are to clog up your Instagram feed just to claim some aesthetic? It's rude. But besides all that, the end product does look cool. And maybe you yourself in the past have wanted to try it out, but either you've been too scared or you just didn't quite have the jewels to be so bold with your own followers. My name is Austin, you're watching Otter Productions, and I have a solution that will fix the problem of you annoying your followers when you post one of those really cool 3-cell banners that will look great on your profile. So let's get started. There's 4 steps. Four steps. Step 1, prepare your pictures and find a date you want to post. Step 2, post the first 2 photos of the series and then immediately archive them. Step 3, wait a couple days, 1 to 2, maybe stay on the 2 side just to be safe. And then step 4 is to post the 3rd or final photo and then immediately unarchive the first 2 posts. There you have it. It's a simple technique that requires a minimal amount of effort and only really needs a pinch of patience and planning. Do note, however, that this is only going to work if you don't post anything publicly in the meantime, in like that 2-day period. Otherwise, it's going to end up like splitting your 3-cell banner, and you don't want that. Also, if you're like a brand or a company worried about your metrics, I'm no expert myself, so I have no idea how well this technique plays along with the big bad Instagram algorithm, but you're having 2 posts that are not getting any engagement, so it might be outside of your capacity. However, unless you really care about that, then this is a great technique that you can and should utilize in your own life. So if you know someone who will benefit from using or knowing this technique, please send this video their way so we can all work together to make Instagram a safer, less cluttered, more nurturing place. You know, let's do it for the children, you know, for our kids, for our children's children, and for like trees, you know, like especially the tall ones. They need it the most right now. They need you the most right now. So share this video. Take care.